Hey guys, this video is going to be about us installing the C-shaped greasable shackles onto the CJ-2A. What we've got here, this is a right-handed shackle. That means that both of the bushings are going to have right-hand threads. There is a left-handed shackle where the top shackle bushing will be right hand and the bottom will be left. So we're going to go ahead and install this. Start by inserting one of the bushings into this new leaf spring. Now what you'll notice is it's a very tight fit. That is by design. You will be cutting threads into this leaf spring eyelet when you drive this bushing in. The top bracket that's located on the frame is going to have threads already cut in it. So what we're going to do is we're going to insert both bushings at the same time, about the same amount of space in. Insert C-shackle from the inside out. Using a ratchet, sometimes even a breaker bar may be used. You're going to drive this shackle bushing through the leaf spring eyelet. This is going to cause threads to begin inside the leaf spring eyelet. Once you've had both bushings installed about the same distance in, you'll start cranking them in there and then driving both bushings at the same time. Once you've got them all the way in, you'll add your grease zerks and you'll be done.